Let's go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hang on. Wait for it. Wait for it. Is it up? Is it up? It's up. I have the mic set on podcast mic. Good morning. Starting well. That's right. It's always a good start. Is the let's go indicator of real or for visual effect? What do you mean? What would it be? What would be not real? If it were not real, what would it be? You know what I mean? Isn't everything real? For visual effect. Everything in my life is for visual effect, basically. Except for my family, I love them dearly. Everything else, visual effect. Buffering. How are you? What's up? How is everybody? Bertrand's here, and Adam is here, and Signher, and Remirth, and Sisum. And you guys were talking about Australia or something? I don't know. I'm scrolling, but I might not read all this. Hyper is here. Adrian first. Okay. I'm not gonna read all this. I was trolling people on Twitter. I just kind of saw that. Just glanced. A little glancy glance. That's not true. Sasquatch isn't real from what I've gathered so far. No, genuine question. What do you mean? What do you mean that the let's go? Is it real? Like, what? How would it be fake? I don't understand the question. That's all. I'm still disappointed that no one still gets the MacBook yet. I can't believe no one has yet. I'm actually pretty surprised because it's been a while. We've been doing it for a while. Welcome to chat. It's Nerms. Is Terminal.shop available outside the US? TBD. It will be. Eventually, it definitely will be. We will make it into Europe at the least. Probably South America. It's just a question of how soon. Delvoid, what's going on, Delvoid? Sup, Dilvoid? What? Is that what you call Delvoid? This is what happens when no one wants to redeem during a podcast recording. Did no one redeem during the podcast recording? Because I actually had the overlays turned off. You could have redeemed away. Or could you have? I don't know if you could have. I had the sounds and stuff turned off, at least. What's up, Matt? It's there for human error. I have to... did you forget to activate the service for winning the MacBook? No, there's no extra service. This is not microservices. Yeah, because he's a DILF. Brazil mentioned, are we sure the Apple laptop code works? I am so sure, Dead Robot. It's just a very slim chance. I'm positive it works. We tested it. Remember, I think it took like 6,000. I think it took 6,000 people. Or we did like a little test harness and we ran it, and it took like 6,000 redeems before someone actually won the fake sweepstakes. We tested the code thoroughly. I haven't touched it since. OMG, I found the MacBook winner endpoint. Uh-oh. Time to get some free MacBooks. I don't think that's how it works, but... good morning, Crims. Has he actually read the logs for the MacBook service? Do we want to look at the MacBook service? Is anyone interested? Would you guys like to look at the code real quick? I feel like there's been a lot of questions. A lot of people... it's Nerms. Australia, will we have terminal in Australia? Not sure. Worst case scenario, you could have it shipped from Europe. Maybe. I have no idea what shipping from Europe to Australia looks like. That's probably pretty expensive. We'll look at the ad break. Oh no, is it ad break time? I tried to set up the ads yesterday. Better. I tried to do a better thing based on our conversation about how pirate software does it. But is it doing it right now? How do I know if there are ads running? I thought I would get like a notification. Or did I not get it? Is it going right now, Bertrand? Is it going right now? Are we on an ad break? I'm not a sellout. Listen, people, 8 seconds. Okay. People have to watch ads whether I turn them on or not, I learned. No ads for Matt Go Slow. He's a subscriber. So it's like basically you're choosing either new people coming in have to watch ads as a pre-roll, or you just run them in the middle of your stream. I thought I would at least be told. Is it done? Are the ads done? Pop-up went away and I didn't get ads. Is anyone getting... I guess if you're getting ads, you don't hear me right now. That's unfortunate. We'll just wait a little bit. No ads for... Oh, Daniel. Yeah, no ads. Okay. Live video ain't free. That's right. Yeah, there are ads on Twitch. It is a reality. If you're a subscriber, you don't get ads, or if you have Turbo, you don't get ads. You did get ads, Andrew Luca. Okay. Marrow didn't get an ad. I don't know how ads work. Welcome to chat. Oh, Andrew. What's up, Andrew? Also, welcome to chat, Marrow. I know Andrew. Subs don't get ads. I'm getting ads. Johnny's getting ads. Some people are getting ads. Some people are not. I would just love to know when there are ads so I could do boring things. I guess I could just keep doing my normal stuff. Just my normal stream. You're not missing anything. I know Pirate Software does the whole like it's ads right now, so I'm gonna do nothing. And I wanna be a good citizen of the Twitch and do that too. Welcome to chat, all the people that came into chat. Daniel and Andrew Luca and Marrow. I got a countdown to ads, but no ads. Sounds fun. Sounds like from Pirate Software that you can control somewhat when they happen. See, I went through all the settings yesterday. After stream, I went through it all. And it's very confusing, to be honest. I don't think VIPs get ads unless you got some region-specific ads. Okay. If you /ad, you know there's an ad running. Oh, interesting. Okay. I would love to add my P-breaks. That would be fantastic. So, add. /ad. It said unrecognized. Pre-roll ads are disabled for 32 minutes. I don't know why that is. I don't know. Okay. Well, we'll find out. Another what? In 1 minute and 20? Are you doing the snooze thing, Bertrand? Or it's saying ad break? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what ad break means. I honestly have no idea. I tried to configure it so that people wouldn't have to watch pre-roll ads. I think it's 3 minutes per ad, or 3 minutes of ads per hour was the default. I just left it at that. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe people will get ads today. Maybe people won't. Maybe we'll learn something. I'd like to learn something. I'd like to hook in. I bet I get an event. Oh no, Signer. Did you send me this yesterday? I'd like to get an event disabling pre-rolls. Copy link. I think I did this. I'm gonna double check, but I think I did this. I'm pretty sure I disabled the pre-rolls. Because there's a setting to disable pre-roll if you're running mid-roll ads or whatever. Disable pre-rolls for incoming viewers by regularly running ad breaks during the stream. Yeah, I have to actually run the ad break. I think if we don't run an ad break, then people will get pre-rolls until I do. Once I do run an ad break, it will defer. It will cancel all the pre-rolls until some timer expires. So if I keep running mid-rolls, people will never get pre-rolls. Sounds better. Sounds more like I can control things. I'm a little concerned I'm not seeing anything about ads in my stream manager. I feel like there should be something in here. Maybe I can add a panel, an ad panel or something. Hang on. I'm actually going to do this. Edit. Let's add a panel. Since last ad, right off the bat, there's a thing. Ads Manager. I've added the panel. Now that you have set up your schedule, take a look at how you can monitor and control your upcoming ads. No thanks. I think I can figure it out just by looking at oh, interesting. This is a whole bunch of new information. Hey, Bertrand, do you have this in your Twitch chat area? Can you see the ad manager? It doesn't take up a ton of space on my screen, so I wish it was a little bigger, maybe. What can I get rid of on here? I gotta be able to see chat. I'd like to see the activity feed. Where could I put this that I can see it? Because it's kind of scrunched. I guess it's okay. Oh, what did I just do? I lost you guys. Okay, you're back. I accidentally hit back on my browser. In Twitch TV /dashboard, there should be a pre-roll timer at the top. Wait, what is /dashboard? That is not the page I am on. Let's open that in a new tab. You guys got me all meta thinking about this stuff this morning. I'm drinking my coffee, reading about Twitch ads. It's just a redirect. Okay, pre-roll off for 30 minutes. Is that what that means? Does pre-roll off mean we've got 30 minutes of pre-roll free ad or Twitch viewing? Okay. Just finished your Pro AWS course. Loved it. Kind of afraid of CDK. Don't be afraid of CDK. I need to go over some CDK stuff as well. Okay, so I do see some stuff. At least I see the pre-roll off. So for 30 minutes, there will be no pre-rolls. That's cool. I do want to add that ad manager thing. Maybe. I kind of want to see what it's all about. Edit stream manager panels. We're just learning about Twitch, people. Learning about Twitch. If you guys are going to have to watch ads on my thing, I should know about it. I should understand how it works. Okay, so there's like snooze. I can snooze ads if it's like a particularly bad time. Maybe I don't have to pee, so I want to snooze the ads. I can run a 1 minute and 30 second ad. I don't know what that's about. Why does it say snooze 3 out of 3? What does that mean? Does that mean we've already snoozed? PP. Welcome to chat, Monsters Pickle. Okay, I'm gonna... So there is a button where I can actually run an ad manually. There is a thing where I can do that. I'm not going to do that obviously right now, but I'm thinking when I have to pee, that might be a good time to do that, you know? We'll see. You can only snooze 3 times. Okay, so you get 3 snoozes in the entire stream, I guess? Oh, God. I keep hitting back, and I don't save my layout. It's really annoying. I'm not a streamer, so I'm saying that secondhand. Sounds like you're allowed 3 snoozes. Okay, music's pretty loud. I'm so sorry. Oh, how something of me. Inconsiderate. Let me know if that's better. Okay, let's not talk about ads. You know what I mean? Like, you guys already have to watch ads. We shouldn't spend more time talking about the ads. I do want to fix my stream layout thing. Ad manager, this. So you can't see them though, Bertrand. That'd be really nice if you could. You know? If you could see them, that'd be really great. But I guess that's such is life. So okay, I have a button and I have a timer now. I can see things. Feels good. How's everybody doing? How are you guys? After each ad, okay, we're still talking about ads. Let's all watch some ads. Let's just watch ads on purpose. After each ad, you get to do 3 again. You guys remember, like, in the early internet days, what was the thing called? There were, like, all these things where you could, like, watch ads and earn, like, points. And I don't even remember what you did with the points. There's just so many weird things. The early internet was weird. I'd watch an ad for Terminal.shop. Actually, Remirth, funny you should say that. We're gonna make some good videos in Dallas. Is that where we're going? Laracon. I almost said Laravelcon. That's too many syllables. We're gonna make at least one good ad for Terminal when we're all in Dallas in August. That's the plan. TBD how it's going to be produced and where the ideas are going to come from and how funny it'll be. But we're going to make some ads. And they'll probably be funny. Actually, we do have a really good idea for one of them. Just for the whole week even, we have a really good idea. You'll see. It'll be all over Twitter. You won't miss it. Chugging coffee, what's up? I'm also chugging coffee. Snooze delays the ad and stream schedule by 5 minutes apparently. Okay, you get 5 minutes. So if I'm like, oh, right in the middle of something, don't have to pee yet, and then like snooze, 5 minutes later I have to pee. Perfect. Ideally, you guys are just watching ads while I'm peeing. That's my goal in life. What's a bat token? That sounds familiar. I wish I could decide what kind of ads I want to watch. We're just going to talk about ads the rest of the day. What kind of ads I want to watch on every advice. I wouldn't mind them if they were most relevant. Actually, every device, yeah. My wife talks about this. I'm not against advertising. And she even goes to Instagram and searches for stuff sometimes because she knows like the ads will be good. And she wants to get served ads for things she'll actually want. So I'm okay with ads. It's garbage ads that are like very unintelligent and clearly not directed directly at me. It's like I want these companies to know more about me so they can give me stuff I want. Show me things I want to buy. You know what I mean? I'm uh, a cog in this capitalist machine. It's still quite loud. The music is really. That's odd. It's oh, you know what? It's still quite loud. I know why. God, this is why Dax, we can't have nice things. This is why we don't do I'm so sorry. It was my fault. Skill issues, it was OBS. This is Dax is like, maybe we could just do the podcast on your stream. And I was like, and it's for reasons like this. I have my everything very well tuned here, you know what I mean? I've got everything in its place. OBS is configured a certain way. It's ready for my stream. I can do this on my stream. I can talk to you guys. I can program. I can do whatever I want to do. But then it's like, let's have Dax pop on in Riverside and let's record him, and we got to get his audio through the thing. So I have to turn up the slider, and now everything's broken. Is it better now? Is the audio better? I turned it down. I might have turned it down too far even. I can't believe I didn't remember that I changed the slider on the audio thing. It's better. Okay. Well, I don't know if you guys could even hear me for the last 27 minutes, or if I've just been competing with my music for your attention. I'm sorry about it. I need it a little louder just for my sake to be able to hear, the audio. Etsy, what's up? The Etsy raid. Dax just isn't comfortable increasing the sound on his own mic. Yeah, what's the deal? Every podcast we get on, so me and Dax have been on some stuff lately. Every time we get on somebody's podcast, they're like, "Hey, you're pretty quiet, Dax." Oh, really? I'm quiet? Really? Are you sure? Like, you're quiet every single time you're on anything. It's your mic. Turn it up. What's up, Etsy? Warm hug, Mr. Yogurt. What's going on? I don't know if I welcomed you this morning, Nixia, but Nixia's here, everybody, if you weren't aware. Time to blame Dax for something. Under 30 minutes today. Not bad. I like to blame Dax for stuff. We made up yesterday. We had our podcast. Okay, I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit for you guys. You just let me know if that music is still good. Let's do some work. I got stuff to do. There's always stuff to do. What is work? What is life? Just always stuff to do. You know what I mean? It's always the case. There's never going to not be stuff to do. You think there'll ever be a moment where it's like, there's nothing to do? No, that'll never happen. What am I on? I'm on the wrong screen. I'm just straight up on the wrong screen. I want this one. Nope. Sorry, I'm going to share my screen. I'm just trying to figure out. I don't even need that browser. This one. Not loving the song. Not loving the song. I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. I got to remember to do this. When I don't like a song on the streaming playlist, remove it. It's that simple. Okay. Let's do stuff. Let's do the stuff that has to be done, because there's always stuff. Isn't there always stuff? There's always stuff. Let's see. I didn't even get nearly through my coffee. I am just getting started on my coffee. Welcome to chat, Frostbite. Your camera's just too good for a Twitch streamer. Yeah, I have all kinds of ideas even of ways I could make my stream better with just stuff I already have sitting in my office. But I'm also kind of like scared to make it any better because people already talk about it too much. Clear bun dev. And then we're going to push the packages go. We got to sell this coffee, people. The coffee is not for sale, and it needs to be for sale. It's Serprian. Welcome to chat. It is not Yubai. I recently switched. From Yubai to the one I cannot remember, Aerospace. It's still new in my head. It's still very fresh. Like this haircut. I just recently switched to Aerospace. I love it. Actually, love it. It fixes all the little things I hated about UI, but the biggest thing is it's not a pain to install. It's like you don't have to disable SIPs and all the things you have to do to make UI work. It's just easy to install, and you don't have to install another thing just to get keybinds. It's all built in. It's one config file. It's great. So when can I buy the coffee in the Netherlands? Great question. I am Zarian. If we make it into Europe, it'll be available in the Netherlands. I've got lots of friends there, so I will make sure that you can buy it in the Netherlands. We just have to get a roaster in Europe, ideally. Do you have a dedicated machine for streams? I do not. I just use my Mac Studio, the same one I'm programming on right now. Do you only have experience with AWS? I mean, what do you mean? In the context of cloud computing? Like, I have experience with a lot of things in life, and I'm not trying to be facetious or whatever. But do you mean, like, what context do you mean when you say only experience with AWS? In terms of, like, cloud providers, I have way more experience with AWS than something like Azure or Google Cloud. What's up, Rick? Aerospace is nice, and Bun is fun. Bun is fun. What are you saying about the friends thing, Bertrand? What did I say? Did I say friends and you're saying in air quotes? I have some Cloudflare experience. I probably have more Cloudflare experience than like Azure or Google Cloud at this point. Okay, yesterday we got some stuff done. I don't remember. We did some stuff. Let's just see this. Let's see. Do I have this error working? No. Oh, it's just not visible because this isn't enough room. Your card's expiration year is invalid. Why is that so low? Why are there like 3 spaces below that? That's not good. Oh, Drew. Oh, yeah. I enabled the thing. Why is this cam twitching like crazy? I can't see it right now. Is it twitching like crazy? So anytime I look at the camera, it's supposed to zoom in. Oh, it's so broken. Oh, man. You said you have lots of friends in the Netherlands. Oh, well, you're a friend in the Netherlands, right, Bertrand? I always get Netherlands mixed up with, what's the one? Okay, this is just, I'm gonna sound dumb. I'm just gonna sound like a dumb American. It's fine. Is Holland in the Netherlands or a different country? I want to say Holland from Peter Pan, Neverlands. I want to say Holland is like where you're from, Bertrand. No, where are you from, Bertrand? Same thing? Oh no. Uh-oh. Coding with Carlos. I'm so sorry. Welcome to chat. I'm sorry. I'm a dumb American, okay? I don't know anything about Europe. I just don't. If you gave me a map of Europe, I could tell you where Spain is, where the UK is. That might be it. France? I could probably point at France. No, probably not. Holland is region in Netherlands. Okay. You live in the province of North Holland. Is that true, or are you just messing with me? Why is my camera... Why? I wrote the code this morning that should have made it work. Not so finicky. Smoothed out the zooming. Because I want it, when I look at you guys for a while, I want it to zoom in on me. But then I want it to go back when I look at the screen. It's just so sensitive. It's just too sensitive. We'll figure it out. Italy is the boot. Oh, I could point at Italy. I could point at Italy and Spain for sure. Yeah. Welcome to chat. Halls Samarino. Looking controls the camo boy. Yeah. I'm going to get it right because I really do want it to do the zooming. I don't want it to do it so sensitively. It's supposed to wait 3 seconds and then check and make sure I'm still pointing that direction. Just clearly it doesn't work. There's something not right. Oh, you gave me some coordinates. I think it's better to just assign the camera switch to a dedicated button. That would be a good idea, Frostbite, but I never remember to hit the button. And I had it assigned to a button. I just don't hit the button. You know what I mean? I never do. Okay, whatever. Hopefully it's going to zoom out. Because I'm looking at my screen. Yeah, we'll see. It's probably going to bounce around. I'm sorry. It's just a thing we're going to have to deal with today. Okay, so cards expiration. I don't like how far down that is. And I wonder if that's something I can control. Or if it's built into Huh. It's really hard to talk about Huh. Huh is a library. A charm library. Oh, I need to leave the browser up, don't I? It's a browser library for making forms. It's made by Charm. Did I say browser library? It's a charm library. Charm, huh? But it's just like every time I say it, it sounds like I'm confused. Like, huh? Okay. Now, do not look at this. Now I'm just like side-eyeing the camera. I'm gonna just try like looking without actually moving my head because I don't want it to zoom in on me. Did it zoom in? Text error render. Okay, so So this form view, I wonder why the error is so, there's so much padding between the error and the, also those reds aren't the same, and that really bothers me. Why are those reds not the same? I feel like those reds should be the same. Okay, that's not important. I don't want to get bogged down today. Let's just get onto the shipping address stuff. 1029. Yes, I am awake. Thank you, Apple. Okay, here, this is bad. I need to pull this message out. Your card was declined. Request was in test mode, but used a non-test live card for a list of valid test cards. Okay. I don't understand how that was a live, non-test live card, because I'm pretty sure I used 4242. Maybe I'm just mistyping 4242. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, method already exists. Okay, so I need to fix how that error message is displayed. Let's do that real quick, and then we're gonna do something else that I have an idea. What? What is this? Do you guys see that? What is this? This mic thing. What is that? I'm sorry, what? Is something listening? Facebook, is that you? Okay, that's actually a visible error. Oh, look at this. It was typing what I was saying. Huh. Okay, visible error right here. So error. Here. No, it's this error. So right here. When we try to create a new card. If error does not equal nil, error. Okay. So I need to extract the message out of that thing. Post 400, bad request. How do I do that? What actually comes back? Let's just, I want to do this. Log.error, like that. Maybe. Let's try that. I want to see what this error, like what the whole thing looks like, you know? Like, let's see. Okay, what did I do? What? Payment, unexpected we at the end of, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so annoyed at whatever took over my microphone. That's really annoying. I gotta turn that off, however you can turn that off. Okay, we gotta do something else real quick. All right, chat, I wanna look at you. Classic Apple, what's broken? You know it's broken. Prod's broken right now. It's broken. So here's what I wanna do. Hey Siri, is that what it was? Was it? Oh geez, everything in my life just lit up. My phone, my watch. Stop it. I never want to talk to you, Siri, like ever. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fix this Zoom thing so I can actually look at you guys because it's driving me crazy. And also, you guys wanted to look at I was gonna show you the thing, the MacBook giveaway to make sure it's not broken. Let's do that. Okay, so here's where we zoom in. Oh, geez, it's bouncing everywhere. Look at that. So we gotta smooth it out. We gotta say like, don't, let's see, it's in here. This is the React hook I tried to write. It's bad, clearly. It's not doing what we want it to do. So look, here's what we do. If looking at screen, this is it does like a face detection stuff in the browser. And it determines if I'm looking at the screen. I think that part's fine. I guess we could do this. We could say make it like less sensitive or more, yeah, less sensitive. So I can make this like 0.3, even 3.5. We'll try that to make it less sensitive about when I'm looking or not. But then the other thing we need to do is figure out this timer situation. So we have a timer, and here's what I do. I say, if you're looking at the screen, I can see that you're looking at my other camera now. Hi, other camera. We'll wait for that because you need to see the code to help me fix it. Don't look at me. Okay, so if zoom timer, so if there is a timer right here, we clear it, right? And then we set, it's a new timer, and we set a timeout of 3 seconds. And then we make sure we're still looking at the screen. If at any point looking at screen goes to false, it should cancel the timer right here and set a new one that waits 3 seconds and checks to see if we're not looking at the screen. You know what I'm saying? Does this all make sense? Does this code make sense? Will this work? Why doesn't it work? Why is it still spamming? Like when I look back and I look back, it's still jumpy, right? I don't want to spend any more time on this. I just want it to work. Can somebody fix this code for me? Please submit a pull request or something. We could just make this bigger. We can make this like 5 seconds. But is there some other bug in this I'm not seeing? I just don't want it ever to like call it multiple times within some threshold. I don't know. Anybody have any ideas? Issue is clear. You're using React. Yeah, I know. That's part of it. We're going to jump it to 5 seconds to see if that fixes it. I don't know. Let's look at the, let me restart this. And then let's look at the giveaway. MacBook. Oh man, all the transcripts where we've talked about MacBook. Giveaway? It's a different one. It's a different one. Where is the MacBook giveaway? I thought I had a MacBook giveaway. Man, we gotta stop talking about it so it doesn't fill up my... I gotta exclude transcripts from my telescope. Where is that? It's in... Stream, maybe? MacBook? Man, this is such a playground of, like, random experiments. Maybe rewards? I wanted to show you guys the code, but I don't know how to find it. MacBook. I don't know. I'm already kind of over it. Do you guys still even care? Do you even want to see it? I can't see. Are we supposed to be? Yeah, we're working on the OBS thing real quick. Are we supposed to see, let's see, I can't see your dependency array, but are you clearing your timeouts in the cleanup function if it runs multiple times? Ah! No, Remirth, thank you. This is just a skill issue with React, isn't it? Where is that? Right here. So you're saying I'm not doing anything in the cleanup. So in the cleanup, I need to do what now? I need to say, hook on new bool is looking at screen. Control flow of timer resets is confusing. Oh, it's about to add break. Now's as good a time as any. Whatever. We're going to ads, people, in 40 seconds. I'm sorry. I feel bad that you guys have to watch ads. But you have to watch ads anyway. Might as well do it on my terms. You know what I mean? I'm not going to do anything. So for everybody in 30 seconds who's about to like see ads, I'm not doing anything. I mean, have I done anything yet anyway? No. But I'm definitely not going to do anything while there's ads. Hook on new bool is looking at screen. Control flow of timer resets is confusing. Yeah, it is confusing. Could you just like fix it for me? Are you clearing your timeouts in the cleanup function if it runs multiple times? No. So we're going to clean up the timeouts there. Okay, ads in 2 seconds. See ya. We'll see you in a minute. Will it tell me when the ads are over? Go pee? I don't have to go pee. I really don't have to yet. Thank you so much, Code Banter, for the Prime sub. Welcome to chat. It's complex. Hello, nerds. New junior dev to the stream. Welcome. Now enjoy some ads. I'm sorry. It's just you joined at a really inappropriate time in terms of enjoying the stream. Welcome to the stream, Luke. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, Raiders. The advert's meant to be running. Yeah. We're doing ads right now. Do you see them, Adam? Do you get the ads? Thanks so much for the raid, Luke. Imagine getting ads for non-subs. Does anybody see ads right now? Because ads starting soon, it says. It doesn't say ad running. It says ads starting soon. So maybe it's not yet. I don't know. It's kind of random. Portrait streaming, love it. Huh. Ad in progress. I think it just started. All right, guys. We're adding. My ad block is working. I think we're doing ads right now. This is fun. I'm learning something. No? No ads for you, Adam? Maybe you're just, because you're special. You're a VIP. No ads for you. Oh, I am Zerion. So when you have an ad, you can still see Twitch chat, I guess? Are we blocking Twitch ads? I don't know. We're learning about how to do the ads in a more controllable way. Ah, there they are. There are the ads. Okay. Enjoy the ad, guys. I'm not going to do anything. You can see chat to complain about ads. Nice. Don't worry, you're not missing anything. We're literally talking about ads. Okay. The video goes above the chat so you can see what's happening, but you can't hear it. This man is consistent. That's right, Ocelot. What's going on, Ocelot? Wow, Adam, why are you taking your clothes off? That's funny. Because they can't see right now. That's funny. 19 seconds left. I think I can get like notifications when ads happen, and I can actually do stuff in my overlays. That'd be fun. Do you get demographics info from Twitch? I don't know, Adam. Great question. What are you thinking? Are you thinking I should do something with that information? Don't worry, Adam. We know we need to watch ads, and if we really hate them, we would either sub or get Twitch Turbo. That's right. That's the way. Sub or get Twitch Turbo. Lunch has arrived. BRB. Thanks so much, Remirth. I need help with use effect always. Welcome to chat, Nordexa. I really want to jump in to more bare bone coding after being in game dev for 8 years. Your stream might push me a bit to that side. Have a good stream. Thanks so much, Nordexa. Okay, you guys are back from ads. Let's fix this thing. No way Adam just did that. Must be sucks to watch ads. You guys are funny. Okay. What's your thoughts on Selenium base over Selenium? I don't have any thoughts because I don't know what those things are. Is Selenium, is that like a browser emulation thing? I think, maybe? Or a test harness? I don't know. All right, let's get back to doing something, but kind of still not doing something. We're just going to say return clear timeout zoom timer. So that's like a little housekeeping thing. I don't know if it'll actually fix the issue. I don't even know what the issue is, but we're gonna put that in there, and then I'm done in here. Let's just we got coffee to sell. I don't have time for this. You know what I mean? You guys, if you talk real nice to me, next time I will be prepared to show you the MacBook giveaway stuff. And let's see, let's refresh that, and I'll show it to you. I'm happy to show it to you. I just don't know where it is right now, and I don't want to waste any more time. Okay, we're done watching ads. We're fixing this thing. What did I actually change? Oh, I just logged the error. So let's do this. SSH localhost. Yeah. We got coffee to sell. I got to be more efficient with my time because I got lots to do, and I like to go for walks. I like to do lots of things. Selenium is a welcome to chat. Startups and code. Selenium is a testing framework. Check out Concept for testing. Kind of cool. Playwright is great too. I'm trying to find some good dev streams. By the way, welcome to chat, Kez. I appreciate everybody that joins chat. I appreciate the people who don't too, but I really appreciate the people who join chat. I'm trying to find some good dev streams as I'm still in the learning part of coding and have only successfully made one small program so far. Well, it's complex. It's growing on Twitch. I feel like there's more and more people all the time that are programming on Twitch, and that's a good thing. I don't have any reason to shill this. It's but Dax and I did create watch.dev. So if you go to watch.dev, that's a Discord server. That's literally just some like curated dev streams. We haven't thought about it in like a year, and honestly, we don't really do anything with it, but at least you get notifications when certain dev streamers go live. All of them program on stream, I think. I guess I should double check. But anyway, you can check that out. That's kind of a way to, that's just me and Dax's Discord server. Okay, Do I have a Chrome browser with code? Welcome to chat. Rez says, I just realized you are the co-founder of the StatMuse. Yes. Great app. Hey, thanks. That's so great to hear. It's occasionally on stream people pop in that know about StatMuse, and that's fun because it's I've been doing it for 10 years, something like that. You're really selling it, I know, right? Okay. Okay. Focus. Focus on selling the coffee. Let's go. 42, 42, 42, 42. 42, 42. That's so many 42s. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to test duplicate and see what the error looks like right here. So the error, that's literally the error. It's just a big string like that. Is that right? What is the type of that thing? I need to look at the stainless stuff. I don't understand what the type of this is. It's an error. How do I get the message? It's just got error. And then what else is on that? Nothing. It's just a string. I don't love it. I don't love it, if I'm being honest. Sell watches to developers. The link to watch.dev is invalid. What do you mean? Somebody said that yesterday. It doesn't work? Can you not go to watch.dev to get to the Discord? I don't want to do it because it takes me to Discord every time I do this, and I just don't want to. So stainless, the SDK. Let's see. I got to learn something about error handling in Go. Stainless. Or let's just go to. Oh man, I wish Dax was here. This would be a great moment for Dax to tell me things very quickly. Let's see, production. I need to look at our docs, I guess. What I need to understand is, oh, you know what? I actually do know a little something. I do know a little something. Not much, but I know something. I know that I hate when inventory does that. So I know in here, I just did this with Stripe. Here, I did some whatever this is. I'm a Go programmer, everybody. It's the invite link that's invalid. I gotcha. I'll look into the watch.dev thing after stream. In your Twitch bio, but add it to your to-do list to fix. What was that, Rick? I need to fix something? Oh, you're just saying the link. Yeah, it's in my to-do list. So what is this in Go? What am I doing here? Am I casting? No. Am I this little dot? What is happening here? I'm saying this error. I want to cast it to a Stripe error, which gives me some richer information about the error, right? I need to do something similar. I think it's a visible error. For what it's worth, I think it's a visible error. So let's just copy all this code. Let's just see if I can do this. So let's go back here. Is right here. Right? No. Stripe token. Yes. So there's an error if it's nil. Yeah. Okay. Instead of Stripe error, I'm gonna say, oh, what did I just do? What did I just do? What? Okay. Instead of a Stripe error, I'm gonna say visible error. Right? No? Is that not? Impossible type assertion. It's impossible, everybody. Is that? What's impossible at this? Isn't visible error a thing? Yeah. Why is that impossible? Oh, you know what? It's not just a visible error. It might be a terminal dot visible. No. Dot error? Oh. So we have terminal errors. Okay. Oh, this is so what I need. Is it what I need? No. Wait. So what is this now? It's an API error, Stripe error. Let's rename this so it's a little more clear. Let's say terminal error? I don't know. API error, maybe? I don't know. I can't name it error because I'm using error right there. Well, I'm not going to have to return this, so I don't need any of this nonsense. Okay. So if API error, which is what? Let's look at that type actually. Ooh, this is good. We have something. Status code request response JSON. Well, that's not very helpful, actually. Error represents an error that originates from the API. When a request is made and the API returns a response with HTTP status code, other errors are not wrapped by this SDK. Okay. So what is error JSON? Oh, maybe it's in the JSON. Oh, I bet it's in the JSON. Let's just do this. Let's say log log.warn, just so I can see it a little better. API error dot JSON, maybe. Well, I want to know what I want to know both JSON and I want to log the error. I feel like that's the same thing as this, probably. It's got to be the same thing, right? Yeah, I don't need that. Okay, let's just ignore all that. Okay, this is a very convoluted way of I just want to log what is the JSON so that I can see, can I like pull stuff out of that? You know what I mean? That font is crazy. Welcome to chat, Brizdergel. Kara Flang, also welcome to chat. What editor theme are you using? The color is Dracula Pro. Sorry to clarify properly. The link in your bio. Yeah. Okay, I think we're on the same page, Luke. I think I finally figured out what you guys are trying to tell me. My Twitch profile is out of date. It has a bad invite link, and I will fix it. Jason Derulo. Derulo? Is that an artist? Love what you're working. Thanks so much, Luke. Yeah, it's actually Dracula Pro now because I'm a little snootier than I was just a few months ago. I upgraded to the one where you had to buy it because I thought if it costs money, it's got to be better. And so far, not disappointed. It's nice. It's actually kind of a pain to get it all set up in all my tools. That's a whole thing, but okay. What am I trying to accomplish here? I was logging this. So there's JSON. Oh, wait. It's like, wait. What? What is this? Can anyone make sense of this? What are these outer brackets? Why is there like this thing? And then there's this map thing, but I don't understand the way I'm just not a Go programmer, you know what I mean? You don't know Jason Derulo? I don't. He's a national treasure. Oh, really? Curly fonts in the editor should be a crime. I'm sorry. He really is mini hit songs. Jason Derulo. I don't really know artists. Like, I know the artists I really like. Like, I like Alt J and Glass Animals. I know that. But I don't know, like, I might know songs of Jason Derulo's. Derulo? Can I song request? I don't really have that set up. Welcome to chat, RH1. What's up, GT Craze? It's going well. How are you? Are you using GNU Linux? No. This is a Mac. Okay. I don't understand what the map code payment invalid message. I don't really understand what type this thing is, what I can do with it. Let's just see what we can do with it. Extra fields or raw JSON. If I do raw JSON, it's just a string. If I do extra fields, let's just see what this, let's just see what that does. Maybe. Speaking of artists I like, Rufus Wainwright. I like Rufus Wainwright. That's who you're listening to right now. Okay. 42, 40. I'm gonna get really tired of typing this. Okay, this should say, it's that. It's the map code. So can I, this is just a map and go, I guess? So I can say like, can I say here dot message? No? Can I do it like this? Message? Anybody know how maps work? Let's just try that. I think this is it. I think I finally, oh no, I killed my dev server. I hate when I do that. PS aux. Okay. We're good. We good. Just want to wait for that to deploy. I'm so proud of us figuring out the ads. The camera keeps cracking you up. Is it doing the spazzy thing? I keep forgetting that's enabled. And then it bums me out when I remember that it's probably too much bouncing around. I'll go back and watch the VOD, these parts, and just figure out if I can smooth it out. Ideally, it only transitions in the most egregious cases where I'm staring at the screen for a while, and then when I look back, it goes back and everybody's happy. You know what I mean? That's the goal. I'm probably far from that goal because I don't know how to use React. Okay. It's really unfortunate that I still don't know how to use React, given that I've been writing React for like 10 years. I mean, 8 years. Something like that. You'd think I would have figured it out by now. I really haven't. Payment method exists! Wait, what is that? What is that type? That's not just a string. What is the bracket and the 2? What is that? What am I supposed to do with that? Can someone who knows anything about Go, I think it's got a lot better since you made a change. Oh, that's good. Someone who knows anything about Go, try with my card. I need someone. React is behind the camera, growing and shrinking. Yeah. Welcome to chat, Shady. Someone who knows something about Go, tell me what is that? See this warn line? Payment method already exists with brackets and 2. What is this data type? What is this thing? And why? How do I get just the string out? Anybody know? I need a Golang expert. I'm writing Golang and I need help because I'm not a Golang. That is a struct. So what is the 2? Where are the keys? If those are those the values of the struct? And if they are, that's a skill issue struct. Oh, thanks, Bertrand. If it's a struct, are those keys or those surely not the keys? Are they the values? And if so, what are the keys? I don't understand. Go doesn't print the keys from a struct by default. Oh, okay. Well, that helps. So let's see. What is that? Message code. So message and code. How do I print the values and it's in the order of the struct? Unmarshal? Unmarshal. Maybe. Maybe we need to unmarshal because I saw something in here. I saw something. Unmarshal? Huh? What's this do? Unmarshal? JSON does what? Unmarshal sounds like something I've heard before. Do we need to unmarshal the JSON? Is it marshaled? And we need to unmarshal it? Is that the problem? Let's see. Error represents an error that originates from the API. When a request is made and the API returns a response with HTTP, other errors are not wrapped by this SDK. Error JSON contains the JSON metadata for the struct. Unmarshal does what? It returns an error. I don't want an error. I want something more specific, right? Raw JSON. So see, this is what, okay, this is what error does, and I don't like it. I don't need all that information. Oh, but this is going to give us clues. URL status code, status text. Here we go. Oh, where is it? Raw JSON. Wait. Oh, raw JSON. Yeah. Okay. Dump request. Marshall Mathers. Try format print. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that. Right here, let's do, so what are you saying? We're saying, we want to do extra fields. So I want to do this whole thing as a format printf, probably sprintf, right? Or I could have, you're saying I could just do that up here. Yeah. Like that. And just do like that. That works. Let's try that. What is this song? I feel like, sometimes I feel like, oh, that's Big Grams, huh? The vibe of playing like, okay, Heat Waves is way too, I don't know, way too basic. Yeah, the hip hop vibes don't fit my stream, I don't think. I got really into listening to like Run the Jewels and Big Grams when I work out. Thank you so much, Charging Boolean. Welcome to chat. Will he stand up? Will who stand up? SSH. I'm sorry, what? There we go. I don't know what was going on there. Okay, so we should just be logging a little better to see what's going on here. 42, 42, 42, 42. 10, 29. Okay, raw and then status. So I need the raw property. I don't love all this. I don't love the way I'm doing this, but like, oh, it doesn't even like that. Oh, okay. So we have a raw method, raw on that thing. Okay. So that just might be, let's just assume that is our thing. And let's just do this. Let's say down here. Oh, I needed to do all this, right? Okay, here we go. Here's what we're gonna do. Else. Okay. Like this. Right? Did I do it? And then delete all this. Did I do it? Are there still issues? I think I did it. Okay, let's see. Your T-Mux is sexy. Oh, that's nice to hear. Who is Marshall? Thanks for the poll on that, Rick. We got to get to the bottom of this. Great success. Welcome to chat, Zambon. Jay's here. Big Gram's what I call my grandmama. What's going on, Jay? Oh, it's been so long. I miss you, Jay. How you been? What are you doing these days, Jay? I have so many questions. I also kind of have to pee. Oh, we got 7 minutes till an ad break. So I can pee in 7 minutes. Ooh, that's some pressure right there. I gotta wait 7 minutes to pee. How is Jay? 10, 29. Oh, there we go. We should have a better error message. Payment method already exists. It's in quotes. Why is it in quotes? What is that stainless steel API thing? Oh, we're using stainless to generate our SDKs for the terminal shop. Whoops, I pinned something by mistake. Oh, no worries. Still stuck on React controlling the camera. How does this work? It doesn't. He really needs to speak. Can you tell, Nixia? It doesn't control the camera. React is just, it's detecting my face position and zooming based on the face position. That part is there's some React code. There's a use effect, which is our first problem. There's a use effect thing that calls the zoom in function and the zoom out function. Anyway, that's why it's so spazzy, because use effect sucks. That's why. I get to blame use effect whenever my camera zooms too much. A payment method already exists. Why is it in quotes? What? Why is it in quotes? What is this return? A string. So why would it put it in quotes? Can anyone explain that to me? Payment method already exists in quotes. Why? Okay, well, I have to pee really bad. It's such an... Oh, I can run the ad on purpose, and then it won't start in 5 minutes. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna run the ad to go pee, and while I'm doing that, the payment method exists metaphorically. Jay, I miss you. Okay, while I'm peeing, because I have to go pee. While I'm doing that, if Jay could let me know what he's been up to, and if you guys could solve the code issue of why is this thing in quotes, some Golang developer out there, please just tell me. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to run ads, and I'm going to go to my break screen, and I'm going to go pee, and all those things. Uh, what? It would be more efficient to keep an empty 5-liter bottle next to you. It's in quotes because it's a string. What? Strings.trim, thing.raw. That seems so ugly. Did you try returning error or alternatively returning your own text based on the error? So we could return our own text based on the error. That would be a solution. Well, but I feel like we have all this stuff set up on the server to send intelligent, context-aware error messages. I want to display those, and they're right there. The lighting isn't off. Well, that's good news. Bertrand, thanks. So I could just like trim the string, but this feels so gross. I'm spending more time on this than I would like. But at the same time, once I get this figured out, like how to deal with errors from the API, I feel like that's going to pay dividends. We can do it everywhere. But this just doesn't seem right. I don't think I should be doing all this. Error. I wonder if there's more like specific errors. Are there more specific errors? When a request is made and the API returns a response with the HTTP status code, other errors are not wrapped by this SDK. Yeah, like I wonder, I don't think there are more specific errors. I think that's it. Well, let me look if there's a, we did have like visible error. Oh, examples. Oh, there's nothing in there. This is our Go SDK. Huh. I'm just looking. What's in here? Ugh. What? Shared response type. Let's just look up error. Built-in error. So everything just returns the same kind of error, huh? Ugh. I hate this. I gotta figure out how to get the... Well, I guess... Okay. Let's get practical. I do know how to get it out. I just have to remove some... stuff, right? I have to strings.trim, thing.raw. Oh, this is so ugly. But now I can like create a helper that just does this when I want to get the error out, right? Strings.trim. This is so ugly. Well, let's just see if it works. And then I'll just make a little helper function to get this out of our SDK errors, right? And then I've done the work once, and we're good. Payment method already exists. Is that even enough of a... That might not be enough of an error message. I might need to say... we'll see. What are the headphones? What's up, Lambert? The headphones are Sennheiser HD 650s. Okay. 42, 42, 42, 42. Thank you so much for the... What was that? Somebody just did something. Somebody subbed, and I don't see it yet in my activity feed, so I don't know who it was. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. Payment method already exists. Okay, that feels good. We know how to get the error text out now. What doesn't feel good is that red is different, and that bothers me a lot. Okay, let's make a little helper method. Where do I want to put this? I want to put it... API, maybe an API. Here we go. Yeah. We'll just do it in here. Is there anything about errors in here? Different stuff. Okay. What is that? Errors new. Oh, it's creating a Go error. Yeah, okay. So let's just put our little stat, where is that? Here. This code. This code's gonna take in an error and return a string, right? So let's do func get error message. I don't know. I don't love that, but we'll see. Maybe I'll think of something better. It takes in an error, right? Is that not a is that not a thing? Why did I think that was a thing? What is type error? Oh, lowercase e. Did you all know this? Did you know it was lowercase e? Okay, and then this is the code. It's not gonna be, it's just gonna return. Okay, so let's do this. Oh no, can I not import? Oh, I can, okay. And I can import that. So we're just gonna return this. Return. And then this one's just gonna return error.error. Oops, that's not actually the error message. That's like a whole bunch of stuff, remember? But whatever. It's better than what I've got. So let's go back here and say this is just gonna be get error message m.state.payment payment.error equals get error message. Oh, why can't I import that from API? Did I save the file? Yeah? Oh, wait. Why can't I? Oh. Do I have to import it up here? It's right there. API. Do I need to do something to make that public or something? Man, I'm such a not Go developer. I'm such a JavaScript developer, I guess. API.get error message. Oh, geez. Oh, that worked. Okay. Thanks. Oh, because it's in the API module? Is that what they're called? Okay. Feels good. First try. Can you look at your API error struct? Yes. This one. This one. Here we go. What's up, Rick? Help me. Where did Jay go? Did Jay ever? Oh, it was Lambert. Is this Sam Lambert? Or is this a different Lambert? Thank you so much for the sub, Lambert. Who won a MacBook? Adam won the MacBook? What was I? What negatives did you experience streaming real product dev? I have a small SaaS co and kind of want to stream, but I feel weird about putting our code out there. Yeah, I've not done anything. I guess I've not streamed anything that was like sensitive. Most everything I've streamed is open source anyway. So that helps. Let's see. Or do you actually not work on StatMuse on stream? No, I'm the StatMuse front end, the website, is all open source, and I stream some of that on occasion on stream. I don't always. Sometimes I stream other things, but yeah, it helps that it's open source. How does the API error get set? I hate the trim. I do too. I hate the trim. API get error message. Can you look at your API? I'm wondering if the raw function defined could be tweaked or another function added to get the value. Maybe. Help me, Rick. Welcome to chat. I thought adding a method to API error would be the best. Oh, yeah, that would be best. Good call. Ooh, sir. You know things. You know things about. So what is this? You know things about Go, so you could help me a lot. Oh, those are fields. What are fields? Raw and status. Is it get subfield? Let's go back and let's do the little code golf thing here. Instead of this being get error message, let's do this. Let's say API error terminal.error, right? What's that? Cannot define new methods on non-local type. Uh-oh, can't do that. Does API error live inside the SDK? Tom, it is. Hey, what's up, Tom? API error live inside the SDK. What do you mean? Yeah, that makes sense. Nothing we have is open source. Yeah, if it's not open source, I would feel a little bad putting it on stream. A little bit of additional risk. People like, what you get DDoS far more than most. Yeah, you saw on field a raw function, and we're using that, right? See, we're using raw. For some reason, that has quotes in it, which I don't understand. You would have to add the method in that package. Yeah, I can't really extend the SDK. It's generated by Stainless. But instead you can add a new one instead of raw, like value. Yeah, it's all generated. I think you guys are thinking I could just change the SDK, but it's a generated SDK, and it's going to keep getting overwritten by Stainless. Yeah, it's within the SDK. It's unfortunate, but I just need to find a way to get the thing out. I think this works. It's really ugly. I hate it. And I feel like there's got to be a better way. We could ask the Stainless folks, or maybe Dax just knows how to better get the message out of our errors. All of our errors are the same shape. They all have this message prop. So I think there's some solution here that's not so ugly. But for now, it's fine. We're getting the error message out. Let's move on. Okay. What's next? I want to move on to shipping. I got to move on to the shipping stuff. So payment method already exists. Let's go back and let's say I chose this payment method. Okay, so now it's got to go to shipping page. We're moving on, people. Moving to the next thing. I got too much stuff to do to get hung up on the stuff. Get status. Get add. I'm just going to go ahead and commit this stuff. Okay. Let's go. Shipping time. Shipping time. Like shipping address, not shipping my code. Still not there yet. TUI. Let's go to shipping.go. Okay. What's first? State shipping. Shipping. Cool. All that's in. We're gonna uncomment all that. Let's go back into shipping. Okay, we got a bunch of stuff here. Bunch of stuff. Mail.parse address. That's just probably an import, right? Did I leave some imports? No. Huh. Why was that? Okay. Oh, because I dropped the email. Yeah. I moved this in here so it didn't get lost. So name and email. These I'm just gonna delete. I may want to come back and revisit that. I may want to pre-populate those for some reason. I feel like there's a reason I was doing that, but I can't remember what it was. Actually, I'm gonna just comment them all out. I'm gonna comment them out. I feel like that's how I was persisting the form. I think I need to go back and do this again, but do it better. Okay, here we go. Create order. When is this called? Create order. Oh, it's called right here. Okay, cool. Shipping form update. Okay, shipping update. What? That's when we do. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, I'm getting it. I'm figuring it out. Format address. We'll come back to that. I'm just getting a high-level overview here of what's going on. What are these? Options. Okay, so this is a shipping list view, and then we have the shipping form view. Yep. Okay, that's fine. Render. Well, that looks different. Why does that look different? Text error with content render. Why does that look different from this one? Why is the width set? Why is the width on that one set? I don't like that. I'm gonna delete it, and we'll find out if I shouldn't have. Okay. Let's go back to the top. We're gonna work through these systematically. What was that? Somebody did something. That was the less hacky way than trim would be to JSON parse it. I would like this, Tom. I would like the less hacky. Usually, you would unmarshal the JSON into a struct, and to get. Oh, you know what? We had an unmarshal JSON. Let's go back. I know I just said I was gonna move on, but let's go back here. I do want to see this through. I want to see it be better, and I know it's not good. So you're saying there's an unmarshal right here. Let me show you this. So API error dot unmarshal JSON. The type of this is an error, but see, that's no good. That's no good because if I just print that, it's gonna have all the information that's not just the message. So what do are you guys